What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? We got a bunch of snow out here, and I'm out here with the go-go bird. Want to try my hand at this little guy out here in the snow. Don't ask me why. I saw all this snow and was like, go-go gadget bird. Gotta get him out here and try him. But let's get him in the air. Hopefully the breeze don't take it away. There's a breeze blowing. Let's get this guy in here. Turned on. The wind might be too much for him. Let's test it. See if we get any flapping. Yep. So let's see. He's trying. I brought it down for a glide because the wind was blowing it. I never tried to see if this thing could take off from the ground. Let's test it now. Oh, he's flapping, but not going anywhere. He actually flipped over. This thing glides pretty good too, so I'm gonna throw it pretty hard. Sheesh. Let me try to glide. Yeah, the wind might be a little too much for him. Definitely can't fly him into the wind too much. Try it again. Yeah, he's going down too. He can't even stay in the air because the wind is blowing downward as well as blowing this way. Somebody left a comment and said this thing is just like flying a wireless kite, like it's a wireless kite or whatnot. And for the most part, I agree with that. It seems like a kite. It has that kite feel to it. Yeah, it's starting to get very windy out here. Do one more flight into the wind before we leave. Oh, he was upside down that time. Oh, man, he did a loop. Yeah, that's too much for him. We're gonna stop it at that. This guy's getting beat up from me throwing him too hard, him crashing and flying in this wind here. So, yeah, it was a nice attempt, but in the snow, windy conditions, it's a no-go. Thanks for watching.